I have had motor neuron disease for practically all my adult life. Yet it has not prevented me from having a happy family life and being successful in my work. Before my condition was diagnosed, while I was a postgraduate student at Cambridge, I had been very bored with life. There did not seem to be anything worth doing. But shortly after I came out of hospital, I dreamt that I was going to be executed. I suddenly realized that there were a lot of worthwhile things I could do if I was reprieved. But I didn't die. In fact, although there was a cloud hanging over my future, I found, to my surprise, that I was enjoying life in the present more than before. I made progress with my research, and I got married, which changed my life and gave me something to live for. Reading the World Report on Disability, I find much of relevance to my own experience. I have benefited from access to first-class medical care. I rely on a team of personal assistants who make it possible for me to live and work in comfort and dignity. My house and my workplace have been made accessible for me. Computer experts have supported me with an assisted communication system, equalizer, and a speech synthesizer made by Speech Plus, which allow me to compose lectures and papers, and to communicate with different audiences. But I realize that I am very lucky, in many ways. My success in theoretical physics has ensured that I am supported to live a worthwhile life. Looking at the evidence in the pages of this new report, it is very clear that the majority of people with disabilities in the world have a very hard time with everyday survival, let alone personal fulfillment. I have always given my personal support to efforts to promote access and inclusion, and I am delighted to be able to endorse this important report. I hope governments throughout the world will consider all the millions of people with disabilities who are denied access to health, rehabilitation, support, education and employment, and therefore never get the chance to shine.